गोयचो भलायकी मंत्री विश्वजीत राणेन केल्ल्या फोन कन्वर्सेशनाच्या आवाजाची क्लिप अखिल भारतीय काँग्रेसीन लोकसभेन दाखोवन बोवाळ घालतकीच देशभर बोवाळ जालो. भाजपाक मात खूपच कसरत करचें पडलें. भाजपाचो मंत्री विश्वजीत राणेन पत्रकार परिशद घेवन तो आवाज आपलो न्ही आनी हें सगळें कारस्थान काँग्रेसीचें आसा त्या खातीर चवकशेची मागणीय केल्या. आतां भाजपाचे दोन लीडर मंत्री मिलिंद नायक आनी निलेश काब्रालान भाजपाच्या वतीन चवकशी करची अशी मागणी केल्या.
Not only he, we are also as a BJP party asking the Chief Minister and as members of the cabinet to go into detail. Tomorrow it can be said by Nilesh Kabral. Somebody made, my voice is very nice, it can be recorded in my name also. So let it go to that conclusion and let the culprits come to book. And whatever is there, I think Chief Minister has to go into details. If CBI, CID, whatever investigation is required, the best of investigation should be done.
राफेल हो मंत्रिमंडळ बसकेचो विशय न्ही आनी तो बसकेन येवपाकच शकना. मंत्रिमंडळ बसकेन राफेल विशयाचेर चर्चा सुद्दां जाली ना. हे सगळें काँग्रेसीचो अध्यक्ष गिरीश चोडणकार आनी ताचो वांगडी सिद्धनाथ बुयावान नाटक रचयलां असो आरोप मंत्री निलेश काब्रालान केला.
I only want to say today that I think this is all a cooked up story which has been happening with the Congress party, not only here but at a national level, to show Rafael as a big scam which is not there. And these press statements are not today, it is next day after the cabinet which has happened. On that day also Girish has made a statement that Honorable Chief Minister, when he was a defense minister, has got things with him. That is why he is not being dropped, which is there here. Your own press statement is here. And I think this is all a cooking up of story. आज म्हाका सिद्धनाथ बुयानान press statement घेतला आणि everybody knows that he is an artist आणि everybody knows that तेजे कडेन स्टुडियो आसा. Maybe he has made कितें आज मिमिक्री खूब आहा. तुम्ही पळयता जाल्यार you have seen that mimicry artists are growing and they speak on political leaders. Maybe he has created this mimicry artist and created this clip and he's become viral from his own studio. I'm just saying, but I want to clarify one thing, that myself and my colleague Mr. Milind were also part of the cabinet. We are also part of the BJP. We as ministers were part of the cabinet. Nowhere such incident of Rafael has come. Nowhere any incident, because I remember I addressed the press immediately after coming down from the cabinet, and I gave whatever was there, because there were a lot of agendas including my portfolio wherein there was which was discussed about Verna, GI substation, a lot of other issues were there, and there was no discussion of any Rafael item because it is not connected to the Goa cabinet at all. Rafael as a शब्द गोंयचे कॅबिनेटान लागनाच जाल्यार डिस्कशन कॅबिनेट कशें करतले. आनी हे जे सगळें आसा इट इज म्हाका दिसता इज अ कुक्ड अप स्टोरी वीच गिरीश हॅज इनिशिएटेड.
मंत्री विश्वजीत राणेन मंत्रिमंडळ बसकेन वीज खात्यान चडशे अभियंते काब्रालान आपल्याच मतदारसंघांतल्यान भरती केल्या असो आरोप केला. असो प्रश्न काब्रालाक केलो तेन्ना मंत्री काब्राल म्हणटा म्हाज्या मतदारसंघांतले भुरगे चड शिकल्यात आसत.
नायक has been there power minister for 5 years. Subsequently it was somebody else and I have taken over from him. And what allegations are shared, I think everything is an open secret. The entire list has been put up on the website. Whether I have employed, it is not I employing. I as a minister have to give meritorious students, whoever is there. Now unfortunately for me, from my constituency this time there were 41 people. Out of them 11 people have been selected. So it is their luck and their hard work which has selected. When Honorable Minister Milind Naik was there as a power minister, that time also there were 38 candidates who answered the exam, and in his tenure there were 9 people who selected from my constituency, even more than anybody else in the constituency. Now if my constituents are studying more than other people, I don't know what I have to say. So it is for him, whoever has put that clip, to see and decide what it is.